If you own a home, there are things that are happening to it right now that most people don't realize that can cost thousands to fix if you don't catch it in time. I've been inside hundreds of homes and I can't tell you how many times I've seen these things happening. Today I'm going to show you 5 things that are probably happening in your home right now and the things that you could do to prevent them from becoming very expensive. I make videos for homeowners to avoid costly mistakes, save money on their homes, and basically understand their homes a little bit better. Number 1 is loose electrical connections, and this one scares me because people let this one go all the time. If you plug something into your electrical outlet and it moves or is loose connections can cause heat can cause fire, and obviously fire is bad in your home. I've replaced outlets that were literally melted behind the walls. This one's a super simple, cheap fix. A new outlet is a few bucks, a screwdriver, easy fix. Anytime you mess around with electrical, you're going to want to have an electrical tester with you to test to make sure that the wire is not hot. Make sure that you shut it off with the breaker before you proceed to avoid any types of electrical hazard or shock hazard or fires. Number 2 is going to be failed caulking. It's a silent killer. Caulking can dry out and pull away and create a pathway for water to get into. That water will cause damage over time and you won't see it until it's too late. Caulking pulling away is killing kitchens and bathrooms everywhere. It's a simple fix. It's just some caulking and a caulking gun, a rag, some tape maybe if you're not very clean with it. Very simple fix. Can save you thousands in the long run. Number 3 is cheap power strips and extension cords. I see people run these all the time in their older homes especially, where they're running a space heater or all types of kitchen appliances off of these cheap $6 extension cords that you get from the bargain store. Well, if this thing starts to get warm, that's a warning sign. You're better off just getting some new heavy-duty power strips and some nice extension cords. I'll go ahead and put a link on Amazon. Number 4 is going to be small gaps and cracks on the exterior of your house. This is going to be around your windows, around your doors. It's little small gaps, small cracks that form in stucco and siding. These types of things can let water in and cause rot over a period of time. I've seen tubes of caulking save thousands in damage costs. Number 5 is using the wrong fasteners. Using the wrong screws for the wrong application. I can't tell you how many times I've been called to a house because a TV fell off of a wall and a piece of the sheetrock was pulled out because people would just screw in a screw right into the sheetrock, put something heavy on it. This happens more often than you'd think. Not all screws are created the same way. Make sure that you get the right fasteners and screws for the application that you need. Using the wrong fasteners can lead to more damage than one might think. Here's the thing. Most home damage doesn't happen all at once. It's the little things that are ignored for years. The good news is this stuff is cheap and easy to fix, and if you catch it in time, you don't have to be a contractor to fix it. You just have to pay attention and fix it before it becomes a big problem. I'll put some links to some basic tools and materials that I use at the end of every video. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have an issue with something around your house, put it in the comments and I'll make a video about it and help you out. Thanks for watching!